The International Criminal Court is now in session.
Less than 24 hours after the trial chamber handling President Uhuru Kenyatta's case at the International Criminal Court formally cautioned Kenya for leaking confidential documents to the media and the general public, Jubilee coalition members of parliament have swung to the government's defense.
So the information they're accusing the Kenya government of leaking is the same information the court, through its registry, is transmitting to everybody in the world, including the Kenyan citizens, through the televisions.
Compliance with the law does not mean that we cannot talk. We are fed up, and we want to send a message to the International Criminal Court to stop the suckers immediately.
Though the trial chamber in Kenyatta's case, presided by Justice Kuniko Ozaki, did not specify any legal penalties to the government for the breach of confidentiality, the Jubilee lawmakers want the government to use the Assembly of State Parties to the Rome Statute that will be held in December to review Kenya's cooperation with the court, even as some parliamentarians pushed for the country's withdrawal from the statute that establishes the court.
What was the rationale of subjecting the president to attend a status conference? The whole game plan was President Uhuru Kenyatta not to go and issue a warrant of arrest.
You do not ask the accused persons to give you evidence. The burden of providing evidence and proving guilt is never shifted at any point to the accused person.
Madam President, Your Honors.
ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda has sought an indefinite adjournment of Kenyatta's case to enable her gather more evidence, even as she accused him of using his executive position to block her access to vital information she could use to incriminate him.
What was the rationale of subjecting the president to attend a status conference? The whole game plan was President Uhuru Kenyatta not to go and issue a warrant of arrest. And we are telling our colleagues, that as your competitors, we are telling you, those people out there in ICC and in Western capitals will never vote. They need first to become citizens of our country. They will never vote for you.
I'm not aware, and I don't know what the position will gain by having the cases postponed. We said we want to have these things behind us.
Kenyatta's decision to honor the trial chamber's summons to appear in person for the status conference that was held 2 weeks ago, catching the opposition chief's attention.
By agreeing to go and appear before ICC, it was man enough. What I did not agree with was this whole hullabaloo of saying I'm handing over power. The Constitution has already made provisions for that.
Francis Gashuri, Citizen Business Center.